All right. It is Monday afternoon. Well, actually, it's Monday evening. And I got me a drone trailer from Ohio to Georgia. I'm taking off. It's 6 p.m. I'm going to get 4, 5, 6, 8 hours. I don't know. As many hours as I can. That way I get down there, have the thing delivered early evening tomorrow. They're excited for it. So, yeah, it's going to be a nice little trip. Paying good money. And, yeah, I'll show you the trailer when I get there. All right. It's a beautiful, hot, humid, sticky day here in Ohio. And I have my drone trailer. Ain't she pretty? This is what we're dragging to Georgia. I got the expensive one here. It's got all the drones on it. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm glad I'm running this at night. But there it is. No box on the back of this one, so hopefully this won't be miserable like the one I took to California. And I got a whole 7.6 miles per gallon. Yeah. All right, here's my drone trailer. All hooked up, ready to go. There, double checked my VIN. There's video of the double check of my VIN. And yeah, no scratches, no dents, no issues. I did pull a bird's nest down, but don't worry, it didn't have anything in it. So I'm thinking it got spooked early and just took off and built another one somewhere. So, yeah. Upstairs catwalk's tied down. Well, latched down, I should say. And we have a pile of drones on this one, which is crazy. I mean, well, I don't know. I think I would have shipped them signature required UPS, but whatever. Not my circus, not my monkeys. I'm just delivering the trailer. So yeah, we are tied down. We are secured. Double check the trailer. Double check the pins. Woo! And I'm glad I just double checked the pin again. Look at that. Wonder why I did that. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Then I'm gonna get on the road. See ya. Well, still on this Georgia route, nothing's better than a sinus infection when it's 92 degrees. I love this life. I guess that's mine. Looks good from a distance. All right, first load back doing multi-haul. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm nervous. It's been a little while. I came to Bennett to do multi-haul, and then things just kept falling apart with the trailer. So last 2 months I decided to just do single pull, and then they got another trailer ready, and then he called me and I called him. It was hilarious. The day I really wanted to come back to it, we were both calling each other darn near at the exact same time. Me to say, hey, I want to come back and do multi-haul, and him saying, hey, we could really use you to come back to do multi-haul, and I have a trailer for you. So yeah, it's kind of cool. But all right, let's go through this. All right, I'm not a pro, so don't take this as the gospel, but first thing I do is I find my units and I inspect them, which I already did, and then I back up to them. Now here's where I'll take all my pictures. I'll be right back. All right, hopefully this video turns out halfway. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me talk, but I guess we'll see. Let's see. Already, I lost my cables. Old and fat. Look up stuff. Alright, well, gonna have to try plan B here. Get my transport battery. Thank God I charged it. See if that will make these want to run. Alright, well, I gotta call the maintenance honcho, so we will revisit this video in a little bit. Well, if you saw the previous video, we had an issue. The winch burned up on that trailer. First time out. I mean, first time out with me. It's an older trailer. So I called the maintenance guy. Excuse me. Called the maintenance guy. He told me what trailer shop to drop it off at. And it was already afternoon. 11:30ish, 12 o'clock. So they were going to move some stuff around and get it in, but they weren't sure they were actually going to get it in tonight. And I explained to him what it was doing. And he crawled under there, and he thinks it's the actual winch motor, not just a solenoid. So he said it's about four hours or so, I guess, to yank a winch in the solenoids and put a new winch up in there. So now we're down till tomorrow. So what do you do when the world gives you a big turd sandwich for a week? You just go on with life, because there are people that have it way worse than I do. At least I've been blessed with the ability to stay in a hotel again tonight, which, again, it sucks. I've stayed, the Countryside Inn here in Napanee is a really nice hotel. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy about that. And they give transporters a really good break, so. But I left home after church Sunday to get up here to take a full 10 off, so Monday morning I was able to grab the trailer and take off. But when I grabbed the trailer, it didn't have brakes. Messed around, and there was nothing they could do. It just took time. They had to put a new battery in it. They had to fix some wiring. Picked that up this morning. Brakes work great now. And then the winch dies. So yeah, so I left Sunday afternoon. Monday the brakes were bad. Tuesday the winch is dead. So now, hopefully tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll be able to load. And then I have to bust my butt to get to Trenton, Ohio Thursday morning. And then I'm coming back here, loading a North Carolina load, but that I'm taking home now. So I'm not staying out over July 4th weekend. I'll take off Monday morning, and then head to North Carolina and deliver early Tuesday afternoon or something. Spend the weekend with my honey baby. So, I'm not happy. I'm kind of pissy. But at the end of the day, what do? People have it way worse than I do, especially those single haul guys, because the load board is empty for them. So, I'm very blessed. I've got this load, a little load, and then I got a good load going to North Carolina. So, all in all, things are good. I just have a whole lot of time to read my Bible and pray and just enjoy a cool hotel room. So, hopefully tomorrow we'll have some good news, and I'll do a video of me trying to load 2 trailers.